So Hank Green is going to talk really fast. If you thought John Green talked really fast in the Crash Course Histories, boy, hang on to your hats because Hank talks even faster. Do not expect to be able to get everything the first time you hear it. As I mentioned here, it says taking notes on primary themes, big ideas, and vocabulary is highly recommended. You might want to be a person that takes notes digitally. You might want to be a person that thinks they don't need to take notes at all. You might be a person that takes notes on pads of paper. You might be a person that takes notes on the back of napkins or on your hand or something like that. Research shows that taking notes is important. And you do learn better if you take notes somewhere on something and look at them again another time. It's like also fidgeting and different things like that. Doing something while you take notes, taking a picture is fine if you go back then and do something with that picture. How many of you have thousands and thousands of pictures on your phone and then don't look at them again? Or some of them, but then you really don't. You go back a long time later looking for something like, oh my gosh, I forgot all about that. So taking a screen grab or just taking a picture is really not the same as taking notes. I have so many suggestions and so many ideas if your old note-taking ideas are not working for you. So he's going to talk about some of the perspectives. He's going to talk about some of the great thinkers and researchers. And he's going to talk about some stuff that isn't really super terribly important, but it's going to emphasize some stuff. So I would have your Kim note taker, your vocabulary sheet from last time out. I would think about the stuff that comes up on that you take note of. If there are things that we've already talked about this week that comes up, I would do that again. All right. And those things that tend to be recurring themes, it's kind of like when the teacher wrote something on the board and you're like, should I write that down? Those are usually the things that you write down, because those are the things that are kind of coming up over and over again.